Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Morning Vol Report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to, well, what our Friday Morning Vol Report is. Look for some events from us down the road. Questions about mentoring or our newsletters, again, let us know. Andrew at OptionPit.com, Mark at OptionPit.com, Leash at OptionPit.com for any information. Profit taking, I would say, yeah. Look for Mark for Trade of the Week from Vegas today, a little later. And what I would say at this point is, from a vol point of view, again, if we start with VIX trading, 9.5, weekend out, kind of standard vol coming out, not much happening, routine. I would say everything is fairish, almost dead all the way across the board as far as premium goes. The November contract kind of normalized a little bit. So that was some stuff in our chat room about trading VIX this week. I think there was some decent trade. There was a little premium. Now it's kind of fairish. So in our chat room today, we will look at kind of fairish VIX trades, kind of setting up for the vol newsletter we are launching in mid-November. For all those interested in that, you'll see more information on that coming. SPX, we are going to cover SPX time spreads. Personally, I don't really want to short this market, but however, it is feeling a little tired. Apple, great earnings. NDX is up 15. Okay, no surprise there. I'm looking at 85 and 90 time spreads, weekly time spreads in here. See how those pay. We'll price those out in the chat room this morning. Next, of course, is Apple. Great earnings. Just need my data to show up, which of course it's not because I am stuck in with very limited internet in Maine when there's no power. So hold on for a second. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. Is there any premium selling in Apple? We will look. Key said big flip in Starbucks this morning. He can look at that in the chat room if he wants. We'll take a look. Lastly, also, I'd like to try to price. Tesla is not looking very good after earnings. If we can price anything in there, just do a little vol examination. It's kind of stuck around 300. I'm just wondering if it actually breaks down, and we'll just price out what that would be. We're trying to get it for as cheap as possible. Tesla has a nasty habit of having poor earnings, stock sells off, everybody thinks it's going to go to zero, and then it sits and it bounces right back up in everybody's face. So we will price that as well this morning. And lastly, if there is any latent juice to sell in, any of the big oil companies. Oil has moved up quite a bit, and these really haven't done anything. So we will price these as well. So there hasn't been a ton of upside, even though oil keeps sliding up, but all the major oil companies are kind of sitting there and not doing very much, right? So certainly not anywhere near some of the levels that we saw a while ago. All right. And with that, I'll be back in the chat room for about 45 minutes. I'll be doing vol view, so if anybody has interest in listening to that live, let me know, and we'll send you the Mixler links. Mark is doing a vol presentation in Vegas. That will start to form the basis of our Easy VIX program, teaching people how to trade VIX options coming in November. And with that, I don't expect a lot to happen, but again, NDX keeps creeping up, so getting in the way of that is not something I'm interested in. All right, everybody, have a good day.